So this video was part of supposed to be a daily vlog. Where I was, on the northern peninsula of Newfoundland, I could not get the internet, the cell service, to upload fast enough. Over 13 hours to get a video at 50%. So for this video to make the most sense, I would recommend going back and checking out the previous two videos. However, here is a snippet of what happened last video that led us up to this point. All the way down. All the way. I'm stuck. He's stuck too. Oh my god, no. Is he gonna get it? He's gonna get it. That's crazy how slippery underneath the snow is. Alright, yeah. They're coming to move some stuff. Alright, so I was just talking to them. Yeah. They need me to move. So slippery. There's no traction. Well, I don't feel bad about getting stuck anymore because everyone else is getting stuck. It's like the video gods don't want me to get anything good these days. Of course the rain started right as we pulled it. So what I want to do right now, I want to brush my teeth and stuff, get a wash, get ready for the day. It's like 1 o'clock though. I'm gonna try cooking something on the stove. That should be interesting. I'm gonna try and make a pogo or two and some chicken nuggets. I kind of forgot that I could actually cook real food because I actually have a stove. So we got a little stack of chicken nuggets here. Now, gotta wrap it up. All right, well, let's see if this thing can cook. Apparently 3 was way too hot. I burnt it a bit. Hopefully this works. It probably won't. Flipped it over and I see smoke. Usually a bad sign. All right, now there's a lot of smoke. This might be disaster. Let's see how this turned out. It looks cooked. Water, shampoo, and meat. This should be good. Yeah, so this is fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. This is great. This is fine. What they did at the field when they didn't have showers. Don't need that anymore. So now we're putting the stove away. Okay, not yet. Not to dry. Come here. Sit. You want the... Yeet! Does anyone ever throw chicken nuggets? Like, they're perfect. They're like those skipping rocks. They're perfect for throwing. Gentle. That wasn't very gentle. There you go. Be gentle. He will bite my hand. He's never really bitten anyone before, but if you mess around with one of these, he will get you. Loves this stuff. Loves it. Yeah, we're gonna get some fuel now, which is why we ended up here all night, because yesterday was Good Friday and things were kind of closed early, I guess. So we're gonna get some fuel and then we're gonna head up to pick up that backhoe. Should be fun. All right, now let's see if we can get out of here without getting stuck ourselves. Alright, let's go. Nothing to it. Alright, that's the gas station like right there. So let's go pull up, get some fuel, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, it's pretty important to wash hands after touching stuff like that. Should be fine. We're pretty isolated. We should be fine. Alright, we're turning this way. And off to St. Anthony we go. Just like that, we made it to St. Anthony. So this is on northern, this is like the northern tip of Newfoundland. And this up here is where we are picking up the backhoe. I actually can kind of see it there. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing stopped. Oh yeah. Alright, so we are loaded up with the tractor. Now we head south. Now we head back to where we started this morning, where we gotta wait for my driver on the other side with the 6-liter to get me a truck. And I'm pretty sure the truck's pretty cool. It's a Cummins. But we got to put it across on the ferry without a driver because of the COVID-19 situation. That's just how it is now, I guess. Alright, more DEF. Yeah, I forgot that even though I tipped the hose up, there's still pressure pushing it. Yes. Believe it or not, I haven't seen one DEF pump in Newfoundland. If anyone knows any different, please let me know. Damn stuff. I hope one day they invent a reliable technology so we don't have to use DEF all the time. It'd be good for the environment. There's no way. How much this hurts when it touches skin. There's no way this is good. Well, that's enough of today's disaster. And hopefully the rest of the day goes well. Yeah, I thought it'd be heavier. This isn't much for the truck. But just wait until we get to some of those 12%. And actually, this tractor is going over some things that are more than 12%. Harbor Breton on the south coast of Newfoundland. I'm pretty sure there's some like 15% there. So it'll be an interesting drive anyways. So we got the tractor. That's pretty much it for today. Headed down, almost hit a lot of caribou. They were all over the road. I don't know what their problem was, but they were all over the road. So yeah, that was it. Went back to where we started the day, and I just passed out. I was so tired. I was so done. And the next day we got something interesting coming. In the next video, you guys are gonna see an awesome Cummins transported like all the way across the province. I do have an F450 update coming. It is there, it is still ready to go as soon as things just line up a bit. Sorry for the daily vlog, didn't happen. If I can't upload, if the internet's not fast enough, there's nothing I can do about that. Danger_Industries. That's where I post pictures and updates and stuff like that. Go check that out if you want. Like this video, you know what to do. You know the drill. I'd appreciate it if you do it. You guys have a good day.